Hello everyone, today now we're learning how to produce one tank trailers, aluminum tank trailer. Here is a production line. Now this machine is rolling machine, now welding machines. And the next one is welding machines, cutting machines, automatically cutting machines. And one piece by one piece to put it together, welding together, and then put it into welding and then rolling. Now this is rolling the ship. Aluminium. Moving the aluminium like a mirror. So now inside they have many compartments. You can choose 6 or 3 or 4. Now this is a cover. The head covers. Now let's to see them more nearly. How to welding the cover. Firstly to produce the inside and then lastly the cover welding. The legs can be chosen according to the compartments, cubic meters. Now the body welding together. Also you can choose the separately, chassis and body separately. Now let's to see the body, the welding, how it is like. Welding nicely, very beautiful. Nice. Now the finished one.